Castor oil has been used for hundreds of years to treat various health problems and is still highly respected for its healing abilities. It's made from the seeds of the castor plant and is a thick, sticky oil. This light oil is used a lot in natural skincare and hair care products and has also been used for a really long time in food, medicine, and even as a machine lube. Now let's discover the surprising benefits of castor oil, and trust me, the sixth benefit will amaze you. Number 1. Reduces wrinkles. The incredible benefit of castor oil is its remarkable ability to diminish wrinkles and combat the signs of aging. Scientific research has unveiled the anti-inflammatory properties and potent antioxidants present in castor oil, making it a formidable opponent against free radicals that can damage and age the skin. Castor oil boasts a secret weapon in the form of ricinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that acts as a natural moisturizer. This powerful ingredient penetrates deep into the skin, nourishing and hydrating it from within, which results in a gradual reduction in the appearance of wrinkles, leaving your skin looking youthful, supple, and rejuvenated. Number 2. Treatment for acne. Castor oil is a simple and affordable way to treat acne. Acne happens when your pores get clogged with oils and dead skin cells, which leads to inflammation. Castor oil has properties that reduce inflammation, making it effective for treating acne. On top of that, castor oil has antimicrobial properties, which means it can fight off the bacteria on your skin that cause acne. To use castor oil on your face, apply it gently and massage it in circular motions. For better absorption, you can leave it on overnight and wash it off in the morning. You can also apply it daily if you already have acne, or a few times per week to prevent new acne from forming. Number 3. Reduce stress. Castor oil is also an excellent natural remedy for relieving stress. This is because it contains linoleic acid, which is a compound known for uplifting mood and promoting a sense of well-being. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can help you relax and achieve a restful night's sleep. By reducing inflammation, it can ease tension and promote relaxation. Moreover, castor oil has the ability to lower blood pressure, allowing you to unwind and relax after a long and stressful day. It can also provide relief from headaches and migraines, helping to alleviate discomfort and promote a soothing sensation. Number 4. Boost immunity. Castor oil is a natural remedy that can boost your immune system and protect against infections. It works by improving the function of the lymphatic system, which is a network of small tubes in our body that helps eliminate extra fluid, proteins, and waste from our cells. By promoting the flow of fluid in the lymph system, castor oil supports better circulation and enhances the health of the thymus gland, which is a part of the immune system. People have been using castor oil for a long time to address various health issues such as joint pain, back pain, constipation, and stomach problems. Studies have shown that individuals who used castor oil packs on their stomachs experienced an increase in lymphocytes, which are important cells in the immune system that help fight off germs and toxins. Additionally, castor oil is also known to have potential benefits for heart health and digestive issues like constipation. It can be used as a natural remedy to promote overall wellness and support the immune system. Number 5. Promotes hair growth. Castor oil contains special properties that nourish the scalp and treat dry, damaged hair. When applied to the hair shaft, castor oil lubricates and moisturizes, which helps stimulate hair growth and reduces the risk of breakage. In addition to promoting hair growth, castor oil is also effective in treating dandruff, a common scalp condition that causes flaking. It can be applied alone or mixed with healthy oils like coconut oil, olive oil, or almond oil to treat dandruff-affected scalp. So, by applying castor oil to your scalp just twice a week, you can enjoy thicker, shinier, and stronger hair over time. It's an easy and affordable way to achieve healthier, more beautiful hair. Before we proceed to the next surprising benefit, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 6. Reduces stretch marks. Castor oil is not only effective in reducing wrinkles, but also in tackling stretch marks. Stretch marks are a type of scar that occurs when the skin is stretched rapidly, causing it to break and leaving behind marks. Research has shown that massaging castor oil into stretch marks can help flatten and soften the scar tissue, making them less noticeable over time. The oil provides deep moisturization, aiding in the healing process. However, it's important to note that this technique works best on stretch marks that are less than 2 years old. Number 7. Remedy for arthritis. Arthritis, a painful condition caused by joint inflammation, can be relieved with the use of castor oil. Castor oil possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate the discomfort associated with arthritis. To experience the benefits, you can apply castor oil directly to your joints and muscles as a massage oil. This application can provide relief from pain and enhance mobility. Additionally, consuming castor oil orally is believed to be effective. For an added boost, you can try incorporating it into your tea along with a pinch of ginger. Number 8. Relieves insomnia. Let's move on to the next benefit of castor oil, which could be particularly helpful if you're struggling with sleep. Insomnia is a condition that makes it hard to fall asleep, but castor oil may be able to provide some relief. While more research is needed in this area, some people have reported positive results by applying a small amount of castor oil to their eyelids before bed. The oil is absorbed easily and promotes relaxation, helping you fall asleep faster. Number 9. Relieves asthma. Asthma is a common condition that makes it hard to breathe. It can be triggered by things like air pollution, pet dander, food allergies, or certain medications. Castor oil is a natural remedy that may help. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce the inflammation in your airways and make breathing easier. To use castor oil for asthma, simply apply it to your chest or back and massage it in. Additionally, you can mix it with other essential oils for added benefits. However, it's important to talk to your doctor before using any new treatment for your asthma. Number 10. Relieves constipation. Another popular benefit of castor oil is its use as a remedy for constipation. The oil contains properties that act as a natural laxative in the small intestine. This is why researchers often suggest castor oil as a natural solution for relieving constipation. However, it's important to note that while castor oil is generally considered safe in small doses, consuming excessive amounts can result in unwanted side effects. To ensure your safety, it's always advisable to consult with your doctor before using castor oil for this purpose. Number 11. Improves digestion and prevents digestive disorder. Having good digestion is essential for maintaining a healthy body. Digestion is the process of breaking down food into nutrients that the body can use. Castor oil is a natural remedy that can help improve digestion and prevent digestive disorders. It works as a natural laxative, which helps eliminate food waste from the body and promotes regular bowel movements. It also encourages the growth of good bacteria in the intestines, which can improve digestion and boost the immune system. In addition, castor oil can reduce bloating after meals and improve the quality of digestion and metabolism. This can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce sugar cravings, which are common problems associated with poor digestion. Number 12. Improves blood circulation. Good blood circulation is important for keeping our bodies healthy and functioning well. It helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to our organs and tissues, keeping them nourished and working properly. Castor oil is a natural remedy that can help improve blood circulation. It contains special substances like linoleic acid and ricinoleic acid that can make our blood vessels healthier and more relaxed. This allows blood to flow more easily throughout the body, supporting our heart and overall cardiovascular health. Thank you for watching, and make sure to watch more amazing videos from our channel.